Hello everyone, welcome. You know what? You want to learn how to shop in English. At the end of this lesson, you are going to learn how to ask for prices, sizes, and help in a store. You can listen like a podcast or you can watch and repeat. Both are good. YouTube has translate subtitles automatically. If you want, turn on the subtitles, then choose your language. You can read in the translation in your native language. Hello again. Today, you are going to learn one of the most useful skills in English: how to go shopping in English. Feel calm, clear, and confident. We will speak slowly. We will move step by step. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk to a shop assistant, ask for help, ask about prices, and pay at the cashier in simple English. Before we begin, let us relax together. For a moment, sit comfortable, put your feet on the floor, relax your shoulders, and drop them down. Now, take a slow breath with me. This is very good. You are doing great already. Many people feel nervous in shops. Maybe you want to buy something. You do not know the words. Maybe the cashier speaks very fast and you do not understand. Maybe you feel shy when you need to say, "Excuse me," or "Can you help me, please?" This is very normal. You are not alone. Many English learners feel the same. Today, we will fix this together. You and me. We will speak slowly and calmly. Imagine you are standing outside a supermarket or a small shop. The door is in front of you. You have your bag, maybe a shop list, maybe you just your phone. You need some things. Maybe you need a bread, milk, eggs, vegetables. Maybe you need a t-shirt, shoes, or a jacket. But in your head, you think, what if I don't understand? What if I say something wrong? Today, we will give you a simple sentences for that moment, step by step. This is empty. Hello everyone, welcome. I know you want to learn speak English. I am here and I will help you. Today we will give you simple sentences for that moment, step by step. Good job for being here and giving yourself this time. Let us start with the very beginning, going into the shop. When you open the door and walk inside, who works there? This person can be at the front or at a small desk. You can look at them, smile, and say a simple greeting. We studied greeting before. You can watch it here, maybe here. Anyway, say hello. You can say good morning. You can say good afternoon. If it is later in the day, you can say good evening. Let us practice together. Say slowly. Hello. Good job. Now say again. Good morning. It's your turn. Good afternoon. Finally, good evening. You are doing great. Remember, Good night is not for the beginning. Good night is for the end. When you say goodbye or when you go to sleep, so when you enter the shop in the evening, you say good evening, not good night. This is a small detail, but it is important. For example, you see the shop assistant at 7 p.m. You say good evening when you leave the shop and you go home to sleep. You can say good night. Now you are inside the shop. In many shops, especially in supermarkets, there are two things you can use to carry your items. One is basket, you hold it in your hand. The other is a shopping cart. You push it. A basket is good when you want to buy a few things. A shopping cart is better when you want to buy many things. Let us practice together some sentences. Listen, I need a basket. Very good. I need a shopping cart. For example, I am only buying bread and milk. I will take a basket. Now you say it in your own way. You can say, I am only buying two things. I will take a basket. For example, I am only buying bread and milk. I will take a basket. Now you say it in your own way. You can say, I am only buying two things. I will take a basket. Wonderful. Now you imagine you are walking in the supermarket. You see many long lines. More important is the word section. In a big supermarket, we often say the bread section, the fruit and vegetable section. Let us practice. Some very basic vocabulary for food shopping. Remember, we stay in A1 and A2 level. Simple and clear. Fruit, apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, strawberries. Vegetables, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, potatoes, onion, dairy, milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, bread, rolls, toasts, meat, chicken, beef, drinks, water, juice, soda, snacks, chips, chocolate, cookies. For example, I need some fruit. I want apples and bananas. For example, I need some dairy. I want milk and yogurt. I need some bread. I want a lot of bread. You are doing very well. Take a small breath. Relax your shoulder again. Good job. Sometimes you cannot find what you want. You want to look, but you do not see it. In this moment, you not panic. You can use some very simple and powerful sentences. The first word is excuse me. This is your magic key. You can use excuse me to start almost any question in a shop. Let us practice the sound slowly. Excuse me, again please. Excuse me, you can add a simple question. Excuse me, where is the bread? Excuse me, where is the milk? Excuse me, where are the eggs? Listen, excuse me, where is the bread? Good job. Excuse me, where is the milk? Wonderful. If you want to be a little more detailed, you can say, excuse me, where can I find the bread? Or, excuse me, where can I find sugar? Let's repeat together. Or let us repeat that. Excuse me, where can I find the bread? Excuse me, where can I find sugar? Very good. For example, you can try this with your own word. Think of one thing you often buy. Maybe rice, maybe tea, maybe coffee. Say slowly and put your word at the end. Excuse me, where can I find? Very good. Now we will talk about one of the most important parts of shopping, price. You see something on the shelf. You do not see the price. Or you see the price, but you do not understand if it is for one item or for many. You can ask a simple question: how much is this? If there is only one thing, you can say this. If there are many things, you say, how much are these? Let's repeat. How much is this? Very good. For example, you hold a bottle of water in your hand. You say, excuse me, how much is this? Another example, you point to a group of apples. You say, excuse me, how much are these? Wonderful. You are doing great. There are two very helpful words for prices: cheap and expensive. Cheap means the price low. Expensive means the price high. For example, this bread is cheap. That cheese is expensive. Let us say them. This is cheap. This is expensive. One more useful sentences. Do you have something cheaper? Imagine you like a t-shirt, but the price is too high. You can say, do you have something cheaper? You are doing well. We will move from food to clothes. Shopping is not only for food. Sometimes you need a t-shirt, shoes, jeans, or a jacket. Two words for size are very important here. The basic ones are small, medium, large. Sometimes you see extra small or extra large, but we will focus on small, medium, and large. Let us repeat: small, medium, large. Good. For example, wear size medium. Another example, these shoes are too small. Another one, this jacket is too large. You can also say too big or too small. Now imagine you are in a clothes shop. You see a t-shirt, you like it. You can say to the shop assistant, excuse me, do you have this in medium? Excuse me, do you have this in large? Or, excuse me, do you have this in size 40? Now, let us repeat slowly. Excuse me, do you have this in medium? Excuse me, do you have this in large? Wonderful. Now, we talk about trying clothes on. Many shops have a small room where you can try clothes. This is called a fitting room or changing room. You can ask, excuse me, can I try this on? This is a very useful sentence. Let us repeat. Excuse me, can I try this on? Good job. For example, you hold a pair of jeans. You say, excuse me, can I try these on? You can also say, excuse me, where is the fighting room? You are doing great. Now we return the supermarket or any shop and we go to the last step, paying. You walk to the front with your items. You stand in a line. When it's your turn, put your items on the belt. or on the counter. The person who takes your money is called cashier. The cashier may say some common sentences. For example, hello, is that everything? Do you need a bag, cash, or card? That will be $15. Let us practice response for each of these. If the cashier says, is that everything? You can say, yes, that is everything. Thank you. Or, no, one moment, please. Let us repeat. Yes, that is everything. Thank you. If the cashier says, do you need a bag? You can say, yes, please. Or, no, thank you. If the cashier says cash or card, you can answer with one word, cash or card. But we can make it a full sentences too. You can say I will pay with cash or I will pay with card. Let us repeat. I will pay with cash. I will pay with card. Wonderful. You are doing great. Now we will put this small price into a short conversation. First, listen. Then we will do it again slowly. Imagine this situation. You are at the supermarket. You have bread, milk, and eggs. Cashiers, hello. You, hello. Cashier, is that everything? You, yes, that is everything. Thank you. Cashier, do you need a bag? You, yes, please. Or, no, thank you. Cashier, that will be $7. You, here you are. Cashier, thank you. You, thank you. Have a nice day. That's it. Don't forget it. You are not alone. You are doing very well. Thanks for watching this video. Before you go, please click like and subscribe. This is very important for me. See you in the next lesson, part 2.